Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 Can-Am SPYDER RTS SE6. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2017 Can-Am SPYDER RTS SE6 with 17,994 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse and electronic windshield, and electronic suspension. It's been upgraded with pinstriping. Powered by a Rotax 1330cc 3-cylinder engine, the SPYDER puts 115 horsepower and 96 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6.9-gallon fuel capacity, the SPYDER has a 200 to 250-mile range. It has a 30.4-inch seat height and a 1,012-pound dry weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts. Both front tires are at 6/30 seconds and the rear is at 8/30 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the front tires are starting to dry rot. The trunk won't hold the lid open, and the battery cover is missing. We've posted the service repair order for this trike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint chips on the front left wheel. This trike has an owner's manual and 1 key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.